Hey guys, Andy here, coming at you with a South Austin property on 7813 Bixler Road. It's a 960 square foot, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, on the market currently for $190,000. Take a look. Okay, we are at 7813 Bixler. We're in South Austin in 78744 area. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 960 square feet. They've done a really good job on the landscaping. And we've got the living and dining areas. So not large in square footage, but really done well. You've got some separation between living, dining, and kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Backyard. Large backyard. In fact, I think it's almost a fifth of an acre. Got tile flooring throughout. And granite countertops. So rooms look to be about 10 by 10. Each bedroom seems to have its own paint, unique paint color. We've got this crown molding in each of the bedrooms. Done well. Really well. And coming back into the master bedroom. This is the larger of the 3 bedrooms. And your crown molding. 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1 day on market, $190,000. There's your half bath here. Coming back out. I hope you enjoy.